In this video, we're going to show you to install the rear seat recliner on your Cadillac Escalade, located on the rear outside portion of the back seat. With the back driver's side door open, we can see the seat recliner handle right here. There's going to be one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. Now we're going to use our plastic trim tool, and what you need to do is come over here and gently pry that plastic, and you can see the grooved piece of plastic in there that is part of the handle. And inboard of that, while we're prying this open, is going to be a little metal clip that secures that. We're going to use either a pocket screwdriver or a small 90-degree pick to go in and release that clip and then pull the handle off. There it is right there. Now, in most cases, that little metal clip that secures it will fall down inside here. Now, this is all sealed underneath. It can really be a pain to pull all this plastic trim off to get to that clip. I have a magnetic tip on my screwdriver here. There it is right here. Now, in prying on that panel there, and you have your pocket screwdriver in, this is the clip, and what you have to do is get underneath that clip and simply lift it up. You're going to disengage the little tabs separating this retainer like so, allowing the handle to slide off. Take your handle, make sure that the retainer clip is already installed. Line up the handle pretty much horizontal with the side of the seat. Slide that in and push it in. You're going to hear it lock into place. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.